Hello guys, welcome back to Gear Up GK. So in today's video we are going to discuss about some of the important inventions and the inventors. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Who invented the ballpoint pen? Answer: the Biro brothers. The Hungarian brothers Laszlo and George Biro made the first ballpoint pen in 1894. It was followed by the first workable fountain pen, which was invented by Elie Waterman in 1884. Which scientist discovered the radioactive element radium? Answer: Marie Curie. Marie Curie discovered the radioactive element radium. What is the name of the seismologist who invented the scale used to measure the magnitudes of earthquakes? Answer: Charles Richter. The Richter scale was developed in 1935 by American seismologist Charles Richter as a way of quantifying the magnitude or strength of earthquakes. Who invented the rotary steam engine? Answer: James Watt in the 18th century. Who invented the jet engine? Answer: Sir Frank Whittle and Dr. Hans von Ohain. Dr. Hans von Ohain and Sir Frank Whittle are recognized as the co-inventors of the jet engine. Each was working separately and knew nothing of the other's work. Although Whittle started first, von Ohain was the first to design and develop a turbojet engine to power an aircraft. Of the many honors received by both, the most significant honor was probably the Charles Draper Prize in the year 1992. The Charles Draper Prize is recognized as an equivalent to the Nobel Prize in technology. What invention caused many deaths while testing it? Answer: parachute. Many people who tried to test the first parachutes died by jumping from high places. The first successful parachute was tested from a hot air balloon in 1797 in France by Jacques Garnerin. Gunpowder was invented by? Answer: Roger Bacon. Bifocal spectacles were invented by? Answer: Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin invented the bifocal spectacles in the year 1760. Ouija board was invented by? Isaac and William Fuld. The board was invented by Isaac and William Fuld in 1892. The word Ouija comes from the French and German words for yes, that is oui and ja. When was the first elevator built? Answer: 1743. The first elevator was built in the palace of King Louis XV in the year 1743. It only travelled up one floor and was hand powered by the men inside the chimney. Who invented the first nuclear reactor? Answer: Enrico Fermi. Enrico Fermi was an Italian-American physicist and the creator of the world's first nuclear reactor, the Chicago Pile 1. Who invented the electric generator? Answer: Michael Faraday. The first electromagnetic generator, the Faraday disc, was invented in 1831 by British scientist Michael Faraday. Who invented the dynamite? Answer: Alfred B. Nobel. Who invented bicycle? Answer: Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Who invented the battery? Answer: Alessandro Volta. When was toothbrush invented? Answer: in the year 1770. Who invented the typewriter? Answer: Christopher Latham Schulz. Who invented the atom bomb? Answer: Julius Robert Oppenheimer in the year 1945. Who invented the helicopter? Answer: Igor Sikorsky in the year 1939. Who invented the periodic table? Answer: Dmitry Mendeleev in the year 1869. Who invented X-ray? Answer: Wilhelm Röntgen in the year 1895. The photocopier, or the most commonly referred term Xerox machine, was invented by? Answer: Chester Carlson in the year 1928. By the way, Xerox is the name of the company which makes photocopy machines. Air conditioner was invented by? Answer, Willis Carrier in the year 1902. The adhesive tape was invented by. Answer, Richard G. Drew in the year 1923. Machine gun was invented by. Answer, Richard Gatlin in the year 1861. Who invented the World Wide Web? Answer, Tim Berners-Lee with Robert Galileo in the year 1989. When was the refrigerator invented? Answer, in the year 1748 by William Cullen. Who invented the polio vaccine? Answer, Jonas Edward Salk. Who invented the piano? Answer, Bartholomew Cristofori in the year 1700. Who invented petrol for motor car? Answer, Carl Benz in the year 1885. So these were some of the important inventions and the inventors. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel Gear Up GK for more such content. See you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.